Here's a great example of one today that looked like it was going to break on the short side, didn't, failed. But if you were using this daily on Tesla and you saw it break this trend line, well, you kind of knew, and then it broke here, you kind of knew that you could possibly have a short. I kind of wanted to hold off. I'm not really crazy about shorting anything that I was going to hold overnight because of CPI, but then we kind of came down a little bit, bounced, and I thought we would roll towards the end of the day. At the end of the day, it seems like people just really wanted to go some flat on some names, at least towards the close, and then we rolled again. But you had this news today, and this is why it's so important to have these levels drawn and know where they are. But so you have that hit piece that came out by Business Insider on showing a Tesla hitting a dummy, like a child dummy, and saying another car would have stopped. I mean, we can get into the article and not get in the article at another time. The bottom line, it was definitely put out to be damaging to Tesla. And obviously somebody was waiting in the wings and decided to, sell at 17 points within like 4 or 5 minutes. So, it is what it is, and that's just part of the game. But if you take a look here, if you know RSI, I'll link the RSI video at the end. Please comment on this video and let me know what other educational video you'd like to see next. I'm thinking of doing a full options documentary on like how to trade options soup to nuts. I am working on that. It's just taking some time, but if you have some feedback on that, on what you'd like to see with options, that would be extremely helpful to me. Anyway, so here you are at this level. You came all the way back down to here at 13. I was just looking for a way in, and in the trading room, this is where we put it on around 8:43 by the time I was able to get in right around here. And then it just kind of traded up. You have to watch that 8:48 level because we know that's an issue. And then you're trading it up, whether you stay into it or not. Into CPI was obviously entirely up to you. I just point out the tools and the indicators, but you can kind of see what's going on here. So just be careful with this tomorrow. The rub of everything that I'm saying is that when we go into CPI tomorrow, a lot can change. Okay, so yes, we can look at Tesla, we can look at Coin, we can look at RBLX, we can set plans, right? I would even argue that some of these names are really setting up, even though they have these dojis right here, where you just are having uncertainty, like Lemonade crushed. Excellent quarter. It was a trade we did in the room. Some people made money off of it. Other people are flat to down on it. It depends on how you trade. But I think what you're really seeing here is you're just seeing real uncertainty across the board. No one knows what that number is going to be. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.